Welcome to the Comm channel. If you're like most families today, online shopping has become a part of everyday life. From groceries and clothing to electronics and medicine, packages are being delivered to our homes daily. But with that convenience comes a growing problem: package theft, also known as porch piracy. Every year, millions of packages are stolen right from doorsteps. Thieves often follow delivery trucks, wait for the driver to leave, and within seconds, your purchase is gone. It's a frustrating and costly problem for homeowners. So how can you protect yourself? One of the most effective solutions is installing a video intercom system. A video intercom isn't just a doorbell camera, it's a two-way communication system. When a delivery driver arrives, you can see them instantly and talk to them directly from your smartphone, tablet, or inside unit. This means you don't have to open the door or even be home to provide safe instructions. For example, you can direct the driver to leave the package in a secure location, inside a locked drop box, or even with a trusted neighbor. The presence of a video intercom is also a powerful deterrent. Criminals are far less likely to approach a home where they know they are being recorded. And if they do try, the system captures high-quality video evidence that can be used by law enforcement. Today's video intercoms can be connected with your entire home security system. This allows for recorded footage, motion alerts, and even integration with smart locks, so you can remotely open a gate or door for secure delivery and then lock it again, all from your phone. For busy families, this means convenience. For travelers, this means peace of mind. And for everyone, it means better protection for the packages and valuables you work hard to earn. At Comm Systems, we specialize in installing and configuring professional-grade video intercom systems for homes and businesses. We make sure your system is set up for maximum coverage, easy use, and dependable performance, keeping your deliveries safe, your family protected, and your home secure. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more expert tips on protecting your home and business. Also call us at 888-501-5885 or visit www.dvcsny.com.